Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of the top stories impacting Indian and Indian American communities. It's August 17, 2026. Open Atlas Summit is set to bring immigrant talent, employers and industry experts together in Silicon Valley, creating new opportunities for connection, hiring and collaboration. N. Chandrasekaran will step down as Tata Sons chairman in 2027, marking the planned end of his tenure at the helm of the Tata Group. Marathi short film Undocumented PDF brings the complex debate over immigration and undocumented life to the screen through a personal cinematic lens. The NAFA Film Festival is celebrating women shaping Marathi and global cinema, highlighting their creative voices and growing influence in the film industry. A Bay Area boutique is showcasing Indian saris as living works of art as part of a San Francisco museum exhibition celebrating Indian textile traditions. An analysis explores Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez's presidential ambitions, examining her political influence and the possibilities for her future national role. When the numbers speak questions the tendency to silence those who challenge accepted narratives, arguing that asking difficult questions is essential to meaningful public discourse. Target has named Chandu Nair as its Chief AI Officer and elevated Purvi Shah, strengthening the retailer's leadership as it expands its artificial intelligence strategy. Why Freedom at Midnight 2 Inches revisits the continuing relevance of India's freedom story and the challenges of preserving the ideals that emerged from independence. An article on Article 21 of the Indian Constitution examines its enduring promise of liberty and dignity, and how the provision has evolved through judicial interpretation. South Asian Diaspora and Distress explores the emotional and social challenges facing South Asian communities abroad, highlighting the need for greater awareness, support and understanding. NIH Director Jay Bhattacharya says childhood vaccines remain the best defense against measles, emphasizing vaccination as a key tool in preventing outbreaks and protecting children. Punjabi Poetica brings Wari Shah's legendary Here to the San Francisco stage, connecting Punjabi literary heritage with contemporary diaspora audiences. Sudharsan and Tilak Varma's century highlighted India's batting strength, with the landmark innings showcasing the young talent emerging in Indian cricket. India's World Test Championship hopes have reached a decisive moment, with the team facing a critical test as its WTC campaign approaches Judgment Day. That's for this week roundup. Stay informed with the Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com. Thanks for tuning in.